Monarchs, in this week's video I have this set done. Continue watching to see how I did them. I'm starting off with my Beetles Gelix kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I got my nails pre-measured. I will be using my electric nail drill to file down the nails. In my opinion, it helps staying on longer onto your nails. Time to file down my natural nails. Perfect. Always dust off any residue left onto your nails. The kit of course came with nail glue. When applying glue, apply a good amount. Place straight onto nail. Press down firmly the first few seconds while curing. Going to repeat the same thing to the rest of my nails. Using my Kiss nail tip cutter, I will be cutting a little. Surprisingly, I wanted long nails. Time for a refresh on the sides. The shape I was going for was a soft coffin shape. Don't forget to, of course, dust off your residue. I'm using this Sally Hansen nail polish in the color Be Iconic. Applying 2 coats of the nail polish color to my thumb. I'm using this nail polish from Sally Hansen in the number 174. So I had already applied a different nail polish color, but I wasn't vibing with it, so I decided to go back to my main nude color. As you can see the difference in color. Now to continue with the show, I'm using Be Iconic on my pointer finger as a V French tip. For my ring finger, I'm doing a marble design with these two nail polishes. I use a makeup sponge to blend it. It did need a couple coats. My pinky finger design was a ombre color effect between the two nail polishes, again using my makeup sponge for the design. For my middle finger, I'm painting it all with Be Iconic. Remember to cure your nails always after every application. Using some medium-sized rhinestones, I will be using the nail glue that the kit came with to apply 3 vertical rhinestones on my middle finger. I'm going to be applying this Kiss Gel top coat to all my nails and of course curing them after. Can't forget my cuticle oil. These are the nails. Let me know what y'all think of this set. Do you guys prefer short, medium, long, or even extra long? Comment down below what kit you all want me to try out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!